In this video, I will show you how to fix Google Play Store app not updating. Play Store apps not updating automatically using Samsung Galaxy or any Android phone. So let's get started. Method number 1. Open Settings. Search for application or apps. Open it. Search for Google Play Store. Tap on Google Play Store. Tap Storage. Tap Clear Cache. Tap Clear Data. Tap OK or Delete. After that, move back from here and search for Google Play Services. Tap Storage, tap Clear Cache, then tap Clear Data. Tap on Clear All Data. Tap on OK or Delete. Move back and tap on 3 dots over here. Tap on Uninstall Updates. After completing all the process, move back to the home screen and restart your phone. After the restart, open your Play Store. Allow all the permissions here. I hope your Play Store apps not updating automatically problem will be fixed. If your problem persists, then try the next method. Method number 2. Open Play Store. Tap on your profile icon. Tap Settings. Tap Network Preferences. Make sure you have selected over any network. Then tap OK. Scroll down and find out Google Play Store version. Tap on Update Play Store. If you found any available update for your Google Play Store, then install it. In my case, there is no update available. Now hopefully the issue of your application not updating automatically will no longer available. If the problem still persists, it may be due to insufficient store on your phone. If that's the case, check this video's description and pinned comment to learn how to clear your storage. There is a tutorial available. That's it. Thanks for watching.